Ano? Sabi ko sa'yo, kailangan yata ng mga sasabihin bukas. Game 1. Game 1. Talo kayo. Talagang talo. Isip na yan. Dapat sila nakapato.
2 points for Darius.
Pagod na ako magbantay. Dit lang hininga ko doon, ginagawa ko, pinipiti ko na ako yung pag-iiwan ako eh. Naiiwan ako, pinipiti ko na lang eh. Kontrolado mo eh. Hindi. Ayun o! Grabe! Ano lang uniform na aircon ba? Yung... Ganun ba rin? Ganun ba? Pusin nyo na ng ganito.
Okay naman yung aircon kaya
Sabi
pa rin.
mo.
Hindi may kapon yun. Pero yung aircon siguro.
Boss!
Ano mo na? 2 months lang yun.
Hindi, maganda ka, sabado ko si Sandy. Sabado no? Oo, pwede na rin eh.
Kasi ito eh.
Kaya nga. Dapat binigay ko yung boss ko ito.
Fontanilla, pass to Duque for 2.
Nice, okay.
For 0.
Bawi tayo doon. Kakain natin doon.
Tamo. Tisho for 3. The pass. Offensive by Israel. Mananigot. 14. Nabos. Master Jet. Fontanilla for 3. Wala. Offensive. Just tira. Wala. Offensive by Nabos 2. For Nabos 6-0. Pick by Rojo.
Maganda pa yung...
DJ time. There's a foul. Foul of Nabos 17.
Dito tayo naman. Kailangan mataas na natin. Kasi pag ang mangyayari pala niyan, pag dun sa laglagan niya ng mga kapalo, hindi yung malaking store, maliit na store, mga kalaban na.
Ayun ang mangyari. Walang pinipili.
Ano may pag-asa ka? Maliit na store. Ano maliit na store?
May pag-asa ka tayo maging tao.
Yung boss, sumanal tayo sunod-sunod.
Isa na lang laro natin.
Nabos.
Ano ba?
Dito tayo eh.
Nakita lang. Prito na tayo. Kailangan natin manalo.
Upward violation.
Kailangan natin manalo. Kailangan natin manalo na isa. Para makuha natin sila.
Equal by Nabos.
Kita mo, Mr. Di ba?
Tisho.
Tama ko yan. Likod. Nananawa ng presto. Bob.
Rebound by Fontanilla. 3. 1-1.
Bukas, tapos may linggo pa. Ay, nako. Kailangan ko mag-retire.
Relax by Nabo. 3. Jet. Jumper by Jet. Rebound by Industry. With Tisho. Tisho 4 versus 3. Dibuka. June Boy, leading by 5 points. Tisho wala, no? Foul number 4. Miranda.
Pasok ka namin sa ayun. Daming lamok. Yes, to one.
Pass to Duque. Duque again. Sobra lang. Sayang. Decision. Pass by Quintanilla. Decision. Pass. There's a foul. Foul on number. First personal foul, second team foul.
Kung natalo lang namin ang
First shot, wala.
kami na talaga yung champion. Easy win kami sa makakalaban. Naman nila yung apat.
Second team. Second shot,
4 minutes
meron.
nung nanatira sa fourth quarter.
Eight,
Si
four.
Gabu tsaka si Kim. Isipin mong magagawa ng dalawa na yun sa 4 minutes.
Quintanilla.
Sabi ng organizer.
Dribbling the ball.
Sabi talaga yung team nyo.
Pass to Nabos, taking 3. Pass to Quintanilla.
Maraming
Quintanilla or
correction pa rin.
Rabre.
Boss, wala na kami, boss. Nice game, try. Madam, ano na
Ah,
Good.
ingat.
3. Jatisha for 3. Rebound by Miranda. Quintanilla to Duque. Duque jumper on the side. Wala. Rebound by Industry. Pass to Jatisha. 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 Wala. Rebound by Industry. Naku, wala. Miranda. Quintanilla. Duque. Duque. Inside. Duque. Wala. Ramos intercept. Ramos. Going inside. Ramos pass to Duque. Duque. Ramos. Jagamboy. First personal foul, 13 foul. Two free throws. Three free throws for the first. Second free throw. Two out of three.
Uwi na yung player mo.
10 seconds left. The first quarter. Nabos.
Lateral lang, wala suntot. Timala mo, pag-pick.
Nabos.
Ganyan,
10 to shoot.
Nice one, nice D, nice D. Aray! Time out.
Time out. Dr. Ruiz. Quintanilla. 10-6. Industry. to Tabo. Tabo. Pass to Rojo. Rojo. Go. To Justicio for three. Boom! Justicio, 3 points. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 1 point lead by Gagamboi. Nabus. Nabus, diretso. Nabus, tapapik. Intercepting. Justicio. Tapapik din. Montanilla. To Miranda. Miranda to Jet. Jet. Pass to Miranda. 10 to shoot. Nabos inside. Wala. Jotisho. Diretso si Jet. Harassed by Nabos. By Montanilla. Industry. Jumper. Thinking. Wala. Okay, Tabo. 10 to shoot. Rojo for 2. Shot back is dead. That's it for the first quarter score. 10-9 in favor of Gagamboi. Gatami. Bukai. To George. George looking for. Katami. Jumper. Katami. Boom! Katami, no point. Iba talaga yung nagpapalastis. To Roque.
Sandy pa yung Lakers.
To Fernandez. Inside. Wala. Bukai. Baseball pass.
Ayan na naman o.
It's 2 for Katami. Bah.
Araw-araw yung papawis ko eh.
Change number 13-10. Sabi yan. Fernandez taking. Ray inside. May Ray. Wala. Ray again. Laguesma to the beat. 3 versus 2. Ginolo. Pass to. Jumper again. Wala. Roque. To Fernandez. Fernandez. Dumulas. Bukai. Bukai. Dire-diretso na. Pass. David, reverse. 13-12. Still 1 point lead for Bagnis. Duque. Inside. Offensive by George. Roque. Fernandez. Wala. Intercept by Bukay. Dire-diretso si Bukay. Error. Laguesma. Dire-diretso si Laguesma. Error to error. Red ball. Time! Gagamboi! Ready this game. Javier versus Astra. Duque for 3. Left. That's Roque now. Roque. Diretso si Roque. Layup. Wala. Lumawa. Bukay to Linogo. Simple. 2 points. Fernandez. 17-12. 6 minutes left. Inside pass. La Cuesta. Wala. Linogo. Linogo now. 10 to shoot. Linogo. Partner. Wala. Roque. Roque. To Laguesma inside. Laguesma. 2 points. 17-14. Bukay for 3. Short. Rebound by Roque. Roque. 4 versus 3. Inside. Nakuha ni Katangi. Katangi, dire-diretso na. Dire-diretso na. Wala. Roque. To Laguesma. Inside. Same ball. Madulas ang bola. Fernandez to Laguesma inside. Laguesma, there's a foul. Foul on number 10, George. 2 free throws for Laguesma. First shot, Apios. Second shot. Jumper by David. Aboard, wala. Nakas. There's a foul. Duque.
Naglalasing na.
Sibo. Inbound by Lito Roque. Roque inside, pass to the beam. Zino Cotolet, 2 points. 17-16. Bukay, pass to Linogo. Linogo, to Duque. Inside again by Duque. Turnover. Baseball pass to the mid. Takbo, tumalbog. Turnover. Third ball, red ball. 3 minutes and 14 seconds left. Duque, picking for 3. Duque, jump out, wala. Bigay kay Katangi, Katangi, inside. Kicking. Kicking. Bukay, jumper. Aboard, wala. Uy. Dito nga talon ng matanda. Iyan na, uy. Sumagot sa tuho. Fernandez. Nag-wait-away. Turnover. Top 5. Linogo. 2 points. Linogo. Wala. Uy. Ayaw sumunod. George. 2 points by Linogo. Hinogo. Back to the ball game. Score 19-16. Second quarter. First free throw.
Isa sa pinakatanyag na ulam dito ay ang Bicol Express na binubuo ng baboy, gata,
Second free throw by Ray Laguesma. Wala pa rin. Defensive rebound by David. David jumper. Simple. Malakas. Offensive by Laguesma. Again by Laguesma. Haras by Bukay. Out. Dahil sa foul. Foul on David. So Glinogo for three. Wala. Who's foul, ref? Okay. Javier, wala. Offensive yun.
Sobrahan naman ng tapon.
Baseball again. Fernandez. Pass. Fernandez again. Serve na yun, 2 points. 25 seconds left. 19-18. 1 point lead by Bagluis.
Guys.
Bukay. Time to shoot.
Bang!
That's it for the second quarter. 21-18. Glinogo. 2 points.
Parang nilalagay lang oh. Batang-bata.
23-18. Jumper, wala. Fernandez. Save. Amigos. To Javier for 2. 23-20. 3-point lead by Bagluis. Tabo to Santiago. Glinogo. Glinogo. 2 points. 25-20. Ready next game. Buhawi Jacks versus Astra. Puntanilla. Dalawang kalaban. Tabo layup. Wala. Offensive pa ni Santiago. 2 points by Santiago. 27-20. Jeff inside. Intercept. Same ball. Foul by Jeff. Jeff, 63. Jeff for 2. Wala. First ball. Diretso, there's a foul. number 19, Rodriguez. 2 shots. Silent. First, Santiago, layup, wala. Jet, Jet, wala. Offensive again by Jet. To Javier. 2 points by Javier. 27-22. Lima pa rin ang lamang ng Greece. Tabo. Santiago inside. Save ball. Clean up ball 3. Wala. Galigos. Jet. Santiago, 2 versus 2. Santiago inside. Wala. Jet. Itu. Diretso, Jet. Galigos, offensive. Galigos. Foul, counted. Foul number. Rojo. Number 34. Bonus free throw for the Legos. Short. Uy. Rojo jumper. Galigos inside. Wala. Santiago now. Diretso sa Santiago. Bigay kay Rojo. Minus 3 for 2. 29-24. Di mo pa rin ang laman ng Bagwis. Puntanilla inside. 2 points for Puntanilla. 29-26. 4 minutes and 50 seconds left. Ilustri. Turoho. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin. Ano ba yan?
Inuwan ni Santiago. 2 points. 31-26. Time out. Gagang ball. Okay. Thirty-one, 26. Bukai. Catching foul. Roque. Looking to pass. 10 to shoot. To double inside the foul. Foul on Katani. First personal foul, 13 fouls. Galigos. Jumper, wala. Rebound by Alex. Alex to Dennis. Jotisho, Bukay. Jotisho for 3. Wala. Rebound by Lagwas. Roque. Harass by Santiago. There's a foul. Foul on Santiago. Warning for penalty. Roque. 10 to shoot. Labir. 3 points. 21-29. Dalawa na lang. Hinahabol ng gayong boy. Bawian, Ibukay. Inawian ang kapos. Roque. 3 minutes left in the third quarter. Roque. To the bit again. David for 3 again. Rebound by Daligos. David. To Aloy. Dumulas.
Shoot mo.
Pukay. Aras by David.
Ow!
By Daligos. David. Doy. In-intercept din. Santiago. Santiago. Haras by Daligos. Santiago. Dire-diretso. Back pass. Distribution for 3. Wala. Yung si Katani.
Awi! Wapa din! Nangyari.
David. Dire-diretso. There's a foul. Foul. Number Katani.
So yun?
Bonus shot for Rayla Guesma. Short. Offensive by Nabus.
Wala.
Counted. There's a foul on Jatisho. Foul counted. Change play for now. 32-31. Gagamboy leading. Wala. Rebound by Alex. To Illustre. Santiago. First personal foul, 13 foul. Rom, dire-diretso, top. Nakuha ulit ni Alex. Inside by Santiago. Zedlak, 33 all. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Get ready. Howie Jack versus Astra. For 3. David. Lakas. Jatisho. Jatisho to Santiago Bay. Stop. There's a foul. Foul on Roque. Warning for penalty. Roque. Illustre. Daligos. Daligos, 3 versus 2. Daligos, dire-diretso. There's a foul. Alex. Foul on Alex. 2 shots for Daligos. First foul, Alex. First shot. Wala. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Offensive by the bid. Save ball. Game ball. Nabus to the bid. Send the shoot. Back in violation. 15 seconds left. For 3. Offensive. There's a foul. Babit yung pa. Foul on Roque. Penalty. 2 shots.
Isa pa.
34-33. Second free throw. Wala. Offensive by Alex.
3 points. Galing!
3 points. fourth and final quarter.
Fourth quarter na po.
Start of the fourth quarter, scored 37-33.
Shoot.
Duque, jumper, short. Foul on Santiago. Second personal foul, first team foul. Foul on number 17. Jotisho. Suzuki, wala. Rebound by Santiago for three, air ball.
Dali!
Jotisho, derecho, Jotisho, 2 points. 39-35, 4-point lead now by the Paquis. Duque. Duque for three. Lakas, offensive by Al Mabus.
Oh, ayos ka. Kunti ka walang laro ah.
Intercept by Santiago. Tumanali. There's a foul, blocking foul by Al. Substitution. David out, Jet in. Tapos, first personal foul, first team foul.
Kadang, shoot mo.
Tapos, inside, Illustre. 3 versus 3. Inside Illustre. Set by Roque. Roque, thinking 3, Roque. Rebound by Roque, pass to Jet. Ray. To Roque. Roque, 5. That's it, shot clock. Time out, Gagamboy. Back to the ball game, score 40, 37-3. Paquis, 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Jotisho pick. Jotisho for 3, wala. Rebound by Miranda. Roque. Screen by Jen. Okay, to Miranda. Miranda inside. Miranda to Jet. 2 points by Jet. Wakas. 40-39. 1 point lead.
Shoot.
George! Nasasagad. Okay. To Jet. Jet. Paboy! 2 points. Change Pedro.
Lalong to, lalong!
Lamang na ang Gagamboy. Jotisho. To Bukay. Bukay to Alex. Alex side to George. To Mama. Time out. The Greece. Ready next game. Buhawijak versus Astra. Ten to shoot. Bukay, 3 points. Change Bebo, 23-21. Labak na. Ang pag-quiz. 2 points. Nabus. To Miranda. To Nabus. Nabus. To Daligos inside. Rebound by Industry. To Judicio. Santiago now. Waiting for his teammate Santiago. Pass to Alex. To Judicio for 3. Wala. Rebound by Miranda. Miranda. To the Guesma inside. Ito siya. Oh, there's a foul by Bukay. Second personal foul. 30 foul for Pag-Greece. Rocky inside to Daligos. Daligos to Ann. 10 to shoot. Same ball. Nabus. Jumper. Wala. Jotisho. 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. The fourth quarter. To Bukay for 3 again. Wala. Ay, Roque. There's a foul by Santiago. Substitution. Santiago. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Pag-Greece. Inside by Lagresma. Jumper. There's a foul. Got it. Foul on number 12. Santiago. Warning. The foul down. Penalty. All 43. Ipasok kaya ni Ray. Free throw, wala. Rebound by Jotisho. All 43. 3 minutes left in the fourth quarter. Jotisho for 3. Jotisho, wala. Rebound by Roque. Roque. So Ann. Pass to Roque. Roque. 10 to shoot. Roquillo. Nabus inside. Down. There's a foul on Illustri. Penalty.
Malayo pa, no? Sige na.
2 shots for Al. Nabus. First shot. Pasok. 44, 43. Lamang na. Ang Gagamboy. Second shot. Wala. Offensive. There's a foul. Offensive foul of Daligos. Second team foul. 2 minutes and 35 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Santiago inside, intercept. Pass to Roque. Roque, 2 versus 3. Roque. There's a foul. Foul on number of Deligos. Third team foul. Third personal foul. Bukay to Judicio. Judicio to Alex. Inside to Dennis. Intercept by Deligos. David waiting for his teammate. David to Laguesma. To Roque for 3. Roque. Wala. Offensive by David. Technical foul on David. Crucial po tayo ngayon.
Nagreklamo pa.
Crucial ang game. 1 point lead. Warning for penalty. Crucial po. Wala. Free throw. 14 second shot clock. 14 second shot clock. Judicio. 10 to shoot.
Shoot.
Three points by Buhay. 3 points. Dalawa. 46 for the ball. 1 minute and 13 seconds left. For 3. Wala. Offensive.
Ayun lang.
All. 1 minute left. All for the 6. There's a traveling violation. There's a traveling violation po. Same foot landing. Same foot. Bawal na yan.
Lana.
All for 6. Deligos. Zuray. Zuray inside. Wala. Layup. Alamos. Ilustri.
Shoot!
48-46. 25 seconds left. Warning ang Roque. Bones free throw for Ilustri.
Ayan, shoot mo pa. Shoot pa. Ayan.
Bones free throw.
Shoot. Oh!
20 seconds left.
Ay! Makakashoot pa kay Roque.
There's a foul. Foul on Alex. 2 free throw.
Sana.
Timeout. Gagamboy.
Sana wala. Wala.
Free throw.
Wala pa din, wala.
Net, back up, net. Patawan mo na. Tao mo na.
Pangalawang free throw.
Oh, okay, narinig tuloy ako.
Down the quiz. 24, ginawa. Okay, shot clock, wala na. 50. There's a foul. 2 shots. One yung Daligos. Foul. Nadagdagan kaya ang laman. One point lead na. 1 point lead na yan. Wala nang timeout. Both teams are in there.
Tao lang, tao.
Sige na. 11 seconds. Baseball kay Daligos. Daligos. By Jepicio. 4 seconds left. 4 seconds left. Pumasok kaya?
Ay, overtime!
All 48. All 48. For the win.
Overtime pa.
For the win. Pumasok kaya?
Overtime po tayo.
Ready? David. 2 points by David. 50-48. Justicio. Alex. To illustrate for 2. All 54 minutes left in the overtime. Miranda. Tunabo. Rocket for 3. Rocket. Wala. James. Justicio. Derecho. 3 versus 2. Justicio. Wala. Ramos. Laguasma. Ramos. 3 seconds. Ray. Kanina ka pa. 3 seconds. Santiago. Tubuhay. Santiago. Tubuhay. 3. Tubuhay. 3 points. 53-50. 3-point lead by the Quiz. Miranda inside. There's a foul. Holding foul on number 4. Buhay, third personal foul. First free throw by Miranda. Pasok. 52. Second free throw. Pasok. 52-53. Santiago. to Judicial. For 3. Reflected, Alex. Ray. Ray to Roquillo. Hindi tumad. Buti nandiyan si Roquillo to Ray. Ray, inside. Pass to David. Wala. To Judicial. 5. Okay.
Lalo na. Mas okay na yan, eh.
Okay na. Pass to Al.
Nice!
Santiago. To Judicial. Inside.
Shoot.
Illusory. Wala.
Ah, win.
Green ball. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. David.
Pressure! Pati pressure sa ibabaw, parang walang setting.
Miranda, there's a foul on Alex. Alex, third personal foul. 2 shots for Miranda. Second shot. Miranda.
Uy, hindi mo nang lang isa eh.
54-53. Lamang na ang green. 1 point. There's a foul on Laguesma. 2 free throws. 1 point lead by the green team. First shot, wala. 53 seconds left.
Halika na.
Foul, 54. 53 seconds left.
Mamaya siguro pagkatapos na.
Tapos,
Maalis na nga sila.
bola na ng bola.
Maalis na
Kay
sila.
Roque. Roque, to Nabos. Nabos.
Tingnan lang muna.
Nabos. 10 to shoot. Laguesma, jumper. Wala. Rebound by Ilustre. Santiago, 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Bukay for 3.
Ay! Naku, lumabas pa! Lumabas pa! Oh, kainis!
15 seconds left. Shot clock is left. 10 seconds left. Miranda. Tumabos, tumabos, shot. Suroke.
Ay! Overtime na naman! Ay! Wala na, panalo! Counted! Ay! Counted! Ay!
Grade is in by Nagoy. 2 points.
Lumabas pa kasi!
Malinis eh.
Congrats! Sige, Gamboy! Congrats!